Welcome to the Sheddings in Bolton. This is a one-bedroom semi-detached true bungalow, and it's tucked away in a quiet cul-de-sac. The Sheddings in Bolton, close to excellent amenities, public transport links, Bolton town centre, St Peter's Way, the A666, bus routes, etc. So we'll step inside and immediately you'll see that the property is very well presented, ready to move into vacant possession. It's been freshly painted and it's been very well looked after, and throughout, apart from the shower room, you'll see this wooden flooring. So this is the living room. There is a feature marble fireplace. It incorporates an electric fire. All the rooms are nice and neutral as well, so you can change it, add to your own taste. Kitchen. Built-in Bosch oven and hob. I think it's a halogen hob. Space for a fridge freezer and a washing machine. The property is alarmed and there is a useful storage room. Houses a central heating boiler. It's a modern combi boiler. Also the electrics consumer unit has been changed recently. And the bedroom. Lots of fitted wardrobe space, incorporating shelving, hanging rails, etc. The gardens are really low maintenance as well, so paved mostly with some plants. And the shower room. Contemporary suite, shower cubicle with an electric shower, modern shower, wash basin incorporating a vanity cupboard, WC, heated towel rail, extractor fan. Also, sorry, didn't mention, in the bedroom is access to loft storage space there. So that's the inside. I'll just show you out the back. It's a lovely quiet garden, this. We are close to the railway track. I think there's a train passing now. And once that's passed, it's really very quiet. Yeah, so paved garden, low maintenance, some plants, red robins there, and mature trees beyond the fence line. There is also a single detached garage with an up and over door. So there we are. Just to recap, 1 bedroom, cul-de-sac position, vacant possession, so no chain involved, close to excellent amenities. And if you would like to arrange a viewing, please contact our Bolton office on 01204 381 281, or you can email us bolton@cardwells.co.uk. And thanks very much for watching.